Okay, so we're gonna do the smoke flames on the jetpack. What I like to do is I like to start with gray and go up from there. Oop, got some gray on there. That's okay. I had to look up some pictures of I do flame smokestacks because it's been a while since I painted smoke on the last Commandos. So it's been a while since I painted any minis. Might do a couple of videos of a Christmas tree that I'm painting for our local game store competition. It's a nice resin tree. Christmas theme. Kind of like to get her done today. I wonder if I should be using my other gray. Nah, maybe not. I might end up using that. Maybe for highlights on the smoke. I have a lighter gray than this Admiralty gray. That's what I'm using on the smoke right now. The other one I'm probably going to use for the tops of the is this ostrich feather gray. It's a little bit lighter. I tend to like it a little better than than this gray for smoke. But I think it'll come out okay. So okay, now I'm going to start probably with this orange and kind of start blending it in with there. Not bad. I got this bullet orange. Again, my colors are TT Combat and Spotlight Yellow. Your paints are just a preference of what you want. Again, when we went to Origins 2 years ago, yeah, 2 years ago, it I had saw those and I'm like, yeah, I'm as vibrant as I saw the models. I'm like, that's what I was going for. I was like, I need to find vibrant colors because I do like vibrancy. And then I saw the cuttlefish colors and I'm like, ooh, those are really vibrant. Still haven't mastered the cuttlefish colors on the colors between. Ooh, that might have been too much water. And then I also use the cuttlefish colors. So they have a layer sketch and a glaze, and I haven't really figured out their glaze. I've had them for 2 years, and I try to add it where I think it needs it. And sometimes I get good results, and sometimes I don't get good results. Again, if I go off camera with this, I'm sorry, I'm trying to, like I said, I get sucked into the zone of painting. And I forget that I have a camera running. Now this is going to be my wife's team when we go to, or one of her, part of her teams that she's going to run for Adepticon. I haven't played against this, but basically she's got Maul, Gar Saxon, the Super Commandos, then I think it's Luminara with Bo-Katan and Katan Kyrze, which again, you're just gonna want to basically blend to your heart's content. You know, if you want, man, it's up to you how much effort you want to put into your models. If you just want to put like a base coat and be done, you can. If you want to go the extra mile, you can. It all depends on how you like it. These areas are like the hardest right here because like trying to get the brush in can be a little difficult. Yeah, I just keep blending until I'm satisfied with the colors. I've had good results. I've had decent bad results. I'm getting better though. All I'm doing is kind of like I just dip it in the water with what I have on the brush. Just kind of give it a little more blendable. Now it's just not working. Like it's funny when you look back at the very first one you done, or like the first video I did, is like, phew, that looked horrible on just painting her. It's like you kind of just, I don't know, you just kind of like looks like crap, and you just want to throw it away. Sometimes it's like restart, but then when you get this far and you're like, you know what, she actually looks pretty good, and I'm happy about that. I mean, not the best at like small details or like getting good details on the helmet, but you know, I'm pretty satisfied. And then what I do for the smoke, if I'm trying to get it a little more darker, I actually use the Tamiya weathering powder. the little cases they sell. I've had them for a good while, and that's what I do a lot of my dust effects with. I haven't tried any other weathering powders. I need to pick up some newer ones, as I know a couple of them on the Tamiya one doesn't work as good. So, I think this video was supposed to be a music, just chill music, but kind of felt like talking, which is rare. Yeah, that was pretty good. I want to get a little more brighter yellow on the top. Yeah. I think I gotta switch to a different brush because I've been mixing. There it is. Yeah. And then I kind of just go down the grooves. Yeah, that actually looks pretty good. A little bit spot. It's kind of hard to get these details in the back. You kind of just gotta try your best. And yeah, see that? It's right there. I missed. I don't think I'm going to use that ostrich feather. What I will do, however, is maybe just go a little darker on the gray with a black wash. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. I'm by no means good at this stuff. Like, I paint because I want to have fun. You know, I'm not trying to impress people. I mean, sometimes I like the nice feedback that people give. It does make you feel good about your model. Like when people come up and say, "That looks really nice," that makes you feel good. I do like that. My friends all love the models I do. My wife loves the models I paint. You know, she has no problems. And honestly, just one guy told me, if you paint every day for at least an hour, you'll get better. I don't paint every day because I work a full-time job. 10 hours a day drains you enough, and then coming home to paint, it's supposed to be my relaxed kind of thing, but yeah, some water so I can blend that. Yeah, there we go. That doesn't look too bad. Let me grab the powders. This is what I use. I use the Tamiya weather method. I bought these a long time ago when I first started painting. That's when I started with tanks and planes and stuff, and then I moved over to this. But yeah, just like put a little bit on, and I just like giving it a grungy look, or that powder look, black soot. And I'm pretty satisfied with those flames. And let's see, I'll have to figure out what I'm gonna do for the base. But other than that, man, That's looking pretty good. And you just blend it to your heart's content. But if you like the video, like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.